Hi, my name is Alba. I make custom cakes in Austin, Texas, and today I want to show you how to make a delicious and very healthy chocolate bar. This is one of my favorite snacks because there's no sugar, no dairy, and it's very healthy, 100% natural ingredients, and very easy and fun to make. And if you are a chocolate lover and a nut lover like I am, you're gonna love this recipe.
I'm using 250 grams of pure organic Santa Barbara chocolate chips, and I'm gonna melt it in a double boiler. In the meantime, I'm measuring the other ingredients: 50 grams of cranberries, 50 grams of cashews, 50 grams of coconut chips, and 20 grams of a combination of seeds. You can find the exact recipe on the description of this video. Now that the chocolate is completely melted, I'm adding the rest of the ingredients and I'm gonna start mixing until it's perfectly combined. I'm spreading the mixture on a piece of parchment paper. I'm gonna top it with pistachios and coconut chips, and then I'm gonna take it to the fridge for at least 20 or 30 minutes. After 20 minutes, the chocolate has completely solidified and now I can cut it.
And of course, it's time to try them. So I'm gonna try this piece. Very rich, definitely for a chocolate lover, a dark chocolate lover. I love this recipe. You can use any type of chocolate, your favorite toppings or your favorite nuts to make your own chocolate bars. Let me know in the comments what do you think, and remember to subscribe. Thank you.